Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello students, let's begin with this question. So here the first part is based on that. What do you expect for the empirical formula of magnesium and oxide? So here the empirical formula of magnesium oxide, this is now here this is its empirical formula. Here magnesium and oxygen is in 1:1. So here the magnesium will have 2 positive charge and here oxygen will have 2 negative charge. So here the empirical formula is MgO. Now in the next part is that here is it possible to add too much oxygen to magnesium sample in a lab? No, it is not possible to add too much of oxygen to the magnesium in the lab. This is so because magnesium will react with oxygen up to all the magnesium has been converted to the magnesium oxide. After that here no reaction will take place, even further oxygen is added. In the next part here we have to find out that which is the not the correct statement. So the first one is that first statement, if some magnesium was left over. So the first one is that the reaction was not complete. So this one is the correct statement. The temperature may not be high enough for the combustion reaction to take place. So this is also the correct one. Next one is it is impossible for all the magnesium elements to be converted to ash as the reaction is carried out in air rather than the oxygen. So now here this one is this one is also the incorrect one. So here this C1 is incorrect one. So it is possible, here comes the possible, and the reaction is taking place in the presence of the oxygen. Now the leftover magnesium does not affect the empirical formula. This is also the true one. Now here in the next part it is given that the mass of the magnesium is equals to 0.15 gram, and here we have to find out the mass of magnesium oxide. So the reaction is 2 moles of magnesium, it will react with 1 mole of O2 to give 2 MgO. So for that firstly we have to find out here the moles of the magnesium, which is equals to 0.15 gram upon its molar mass is 24.31 gram per mole. So here its moles comes to be 0.00617 moles. Now here 2 moles of magnesium, this will gives the 2 moles of MgO. So from here the moles of MgO will be same as the moles of magnesium. So here the mass of the magnesium oxide is equals to 0.00617 moles into its molar mass is 40.31 gram per mole. So here this mass comes to be 0.248 gram. I hope this video is useful for you to understand this problem. Thank you.